Kitchen. Today we're making Rocky Road Fudge. Don't forget our drawing tomorrow for a $25 gift card from Walmart. Make sure you subscribe to the videos or to my channel. Like, share, comment, and just come join the fun. We'll be doing a drawing for that card tomorrow, and we'll announce the winner on Saturday. So let's get started on this fudge. Okay, so for the fudge, I've got 2 cups of Semi-Sweet Chocolate chips. I am adding a can of Sweetened condensed milk. I am going to melt this, or melt the chocolate anyway, in the microwave just until it's all good and melted, stirring it every little bit. Back in a sec. Alright, so my chocolate chips are done. I'm going to add a 7-ounce jar, if I can get it open, of marshmallow cream. Just kind of give that a rough mix. I'm going to add a cup and a half of walnuts that have been coarsely chopped. Just about to outgrow my bowl. Then I'm going to add about 3 cups of miniature marshmallows. And see if I can stir this without losing it all. So I've got it all stirred up. I have lined a pan with some foil, sprayed it down with cooking spray. I'm going to pour all this bunch of goop in here. I'm going to attempt to see if I can get it off of this spoon. And I know fudge is normally a thing for the holidays, but I had a special request for it, so that's what we're doing. Oh, and it's thick. Alright. There you are, my homemade Rocky Road fudge. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. Make sure you comment, like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.